Most people use AI in a basic way. Ask a question, get one answer, stop there. But Perplexity Pro gives you much more. Instant access to GPT-5, Claude 4, and step-by-step Copilot research, file analysis, and faster responses. By the end, you will know which Perplexity Pro feature can save your hours every day. Let's start with one of the most powerful features of Perplexity Pro. You can access to multiple AI models in one place. Imagine you are a developer. For coding tasks, you want accuracy of GPT-5. For reasoning and research, Claude 4 is often a better choice. And sometimes you just need a quick, lightweight answer. Mistral or Llama does the job. Normally, switching between different platforms is a headache. Multiple login, multiple subscription, and wasted time. With Perplexity Pro, all of these top models are available inside one single platform. You just pick a right model for the task, no friction, no wasted time. Now let's talk about second feature, unlimited Copilot mode. Think about the last time you research a complex topic, you type a query into an AI tool and you get the answer, but it's shallow. You still have follow-up question, you still need clarification. Now after 2 or 3 back and forth and AI start to lose context. This is frustrating for student researchers and especially journalists who rely on accuracy. Perplexity Pro Copilot changed this. It works with you step by step, asking clarify questions along the way and digging deeper until you actually get a complete, detailed and reliable answer. It's like having a research assistant that doesn't just give you quick answers, it stays with you until the job is done. Feature number 3 is a lifesaver, file upload and analysis. If you are a business professional, a student or even a lawyer, you know the pain of dealing with long documents. Reading through a 50-page contract, a dense research paper or a massive report takes hours, and even then you risk missing critical points. With Perplexity Pro, you can upload files, PDF, CSV or documents and it will summarize, analyze or break them down for you in a minute. That means what used to take you a half a day can now be done over your coffee break. Imagine how much faster you can work when the AI takes care of the heavy lifting. Here's something power users will appreciate for the next higher daily limit and larger context window. If you have ever done heavy research with free AI tools, you know the frustration. You hit usage cap right when you need it most. The AI starts forgetting the earlier part of the conversation and suddenly the answers make no sense. For startup founder or anyone who pushes AI to its daily limit, this is a real productivity killer. Perplexity Pro removes that barrier. You get higher limits and more importantly larger context window, meaning the AI remembers long conversation without losing track. Your research can flow continuously without interruption or resets. And finally, one of the most underrated but critical feature, priority, speed and reliability. We have all been there. During peak hours, AI tools slow down or even throw errors. If you are in news, finance or content creation, speed isn't just convenient, it's everything. A delay of even a few minutes can mean lost opportunities. Perplexity Pro gives you priority access to the server, which means faster responses even when traffic is high. It's stable, reliable and built for professionals who can't afford to wait. This is the difference between getting your work done on time or falling behind while everyone else moving forward. Now you have seen how the Perplexity Pro can transform the way you work. But here's the truth. Using the one tool is powerful, but when you connect it with others like Notebook LM and SciSpace, that's when you cut your study and research time in half. I have broke down exactly how to do that in the next video. It's right here on your screen. Go watch it now because that's the part that makes all of this even more effective.